Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, Bitcoin has formed a new 2023 high, and AVAX is also looking quite good today. We haven't seen enough evidence or price action here on the micro level to really confirm that this fifth wave is now unfolding, but the market has now respected the second time and reacted the second time to our support area here, which is between $19.58 and $17.18. Yeah, so we did highlight that first of all, the market is likely moving up in this C wave here, this C wave of a larger A wave, which could then lead to a pullback in a B wave. If that pullback is corrective, it could be a really interesting setup for a rally into 2024 in a C wave. Bear in mind, it is most likely a larger corrective rally that will lead to a wave 2 correction to be completed in this red resistance zone between $29 and $86. Yeah, it's a huge range, but that's just what the target range is for a wave 2. The assumption would be at the moment that this here is only the larger A wave that is currently being completed in a flat structure that consists of an A, B, C structure as well. We then get a B wave pullback before a rally in a C wave can begin. So another rally, okay? So this A wave turns into a larger, or this smaller ABC structure turns into a much larger ABC. That is at least what I can see as reasonable assumption right now. Be aware that wave counts will always change when we deal with corrective patterns. So ultimately, that means it can still push a lot higher also in this wave 2 correction. Above $86 a break above $86 is needed to really be able to focus on your all-time highs. But there is still plenty of space that the price needs to overcome before actually getting there. So at the moment, again, all I can say at the moment is that one more high would look likely in the current A wave. Specifically, it's the C wave in the A wave. The C wave is a 5-wave move. And I don't really have a very good view of these subdivisions. So I gave my best here to put the wave count in place for this C wave, but there are many options. So you ask different Elliott wave analysts to give you here different wave counts for this move up. You'll get probably different answers because this is not a very clear impulse. I'm counting that as a diagonal. I haven't shown all the subdivisions, but it's a 1-2 setup here. Wave 3, wave 4, and the wave 5 as an ABC. Should be a very extended wave 5 as it seems. Two possibilities I see here. The first one is that indeed in this orange support box, the wave B is going to be completed, wave B of 5, and we get another 5-wave move up in wave C of 5, which might have started, so 1, 2, but we would now need to break through, then a third wave, 4 and 5. This is the resistance area we need to overcome next, ranging all the way up to around about $22.80, but then we still need to overcome the A wave high, which was here at $24.80, to then reach the $29 target next. But there are different ways even how this can play out. So the B wave doesn't need to be finished even, so could still fall back into the support region. But the other option, is if we break below $17.18, that is really the support here for this A, B, C structure. If we break below that level, then it gets increasingly likely that we're already in the larger B wave. And if I see that, then I will provide a support area for that. I can give you already an idea. And my view would be that there is a chance then that the price is going to move into the region between $14.65 and $10.87. Below $10.87, a sustained break below that level would mean I haven't really got anything bullish left on this chart, and we might move to new bear market lows more directly, which is not what I currently am, what I'm watching for primarily, okay? So that means we've got two scenarios. At the moment, I'm still watching for another high in the current structure, but it depends on the successful break of resistance, which hasn't happened at this stage. $29 to $30 would be the next ideal target to the upside target. A break below $17 or $17.18. So again, we talk about a sustained break here, will mean that I'm going to very specifically observe and very, very carefully observe the structure of the decline. And if the structure is corrective of the decline, then it would indicate that this is a B wave pullback. Okay, so what we want to see in this pullback is going to be an ABC structure. So let's assume it breaks it and gets a corrective rally, maybe come down. Perfect. Then we would have an ABC structure in a larger B wave, and from there we can then move. Yeah, so A, B, C. That's what we want, you know. However, if we see a break below support, and especially if that break is impulsive, so if it comes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we break support in 5 waves, then it would indicate we are probably heading to new bear market lows. And then we would have to assume, even though I think it's a little too early for that, but again, corrective structures are always running against the trend. So, you know, I cannot rule out that the wave 2 will be finished here. Again, without evidence, I can't just assume that. I'm just highlighting here what we need to be watching for should the micro support level break. But you can see it's really a tough one here to get above. This is structural resistance. It's not Fibonacci resistance at all. Fib resistance is up here. And again, the $29 level is key. It is where we had a previous swing high here in August, 10th of August. It is the 38.2 retracement level. We know that typically an A wave, which we've got here, reacts to the 38.2 Fibonacci resistance level. And then also, we can calculate, obviously this move up here that started in October is considered a C wave within the A wave, and the C wave within an A wave, or any C wave really, oftentimes reaches the 1.618 extension level of the A wave. So if we take a measurement, take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, you see that the 1.618 extension level reaches or ranges to, points to the 1.618 $30 level, $30 level. So between 29, 30, that is going to be a key level to watch. And yeah, there is some confluence there. Yeah, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get additional content. Yeah, you can get access to our Discord and Telegram chat rooms. You can become part of a really positive community. You get access to a lot of educational content on Discord and Telegram. You get access to a weekly live stream. As gold members, you get access also to short-term market updates and signals. So check it out. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.